Good evening, traders. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Today, I am going to tell you about daily candle secrets, which is very important when we put our weekly template, weekly clock, we need to read the daily candles. If you know how to, how to read and trade, you can trade with confidence. Excuse me. If you want to trade like a professional, you need to master the behavior of the daily candle. So, unless you know the behavior of the daily candle, you cannot understand what is going to happen in the weekly template and from where the trend will begin, on which day the trend will start, and you will be into a parabolic movement. That is mark of phase. You need to identify the mark of phase to enter into the trade, which lasts for only, maybe you can capture the trade within 2 days or 3 days. This is the intention of that, understanding the behavior of the daily candle. You need to master it. This is your secret weapon to understanding the market movements, making better decisions, and executing trades with confidence. Today, I am breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. Let us dive in. Every daily candle tells a story. It opens, consolidates, manipulates, and distributes. That is AMD, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And finally, it closes. If you know what happens inside this cycle, you can predict the next move. If you are able to, you should know. So if you want to be in the game of up move or parabolic move, you should know what is happening inside this cycle. Then only you can be profitable, you can capture the trade daily. If you are not getting the trade on the index, you can shift to any instrument like equity or stocks or commodities, and you can make money. For example, today there was no trade for in the index. After gap down, it was choppy. It was going sideways. You could not have made money in the indices. But other stocks provided the trade. So let us proceed. This is an example of the Hindalco. See, here you are seeing 3 candles. This is the very big candle which has started from the previous day close. It has wicked, manipulation had taken place. It made an high and closed near here. Day before yesterday, especially on Friday, it opened at the close, and you can see the big candle over here. I am trying to show you the inside of this big candle. Even though it opened, and you can see the inside X-ray picture of the big candle, there was compression. The price moved in this fashion till this. Finally, closing not near the high, indicating some sort of exhaustion in this Hindalco stock. You can go to the chart. I will show it to you on the chart. Just for an example, I have shown. Today, what happened is, since there was even the market was weak, it gapped down within the range of this. You can see within this range, and it consolidated, and manipulation was taken place below the previous day low, and it traded higher. So you can anticipate for weakness in this Hindalco. Hindalco is preparing for the distribution phase. Already distribution has started in the market. Suppose if tomorrow, if it opens, this is the high of the day, previous day, that is Monday. If it opens like this and manipulates this area, and then if it starts coming down, then you can look for a sell opportunity in this Hindalco. That means markdown has already started in this Hindalco. Weakness has started creeping in this. This is how you need to see, and you can see the candle formation. A indecision candle is formed. So tomorrow on Tuesday, suppose if it opens above the close and inside this area, and if it starts moving down, you will get another leg down like this, leg down movement like this in the market. So, trend, how to identify the trend? Impulsive days, when the market is strong, each day continues the previous day's trend. Right? Monday moves up, Tuesday follows, and Wednesday pushes further. That is impulsive days. And weekdays, on weekdays and reversal, that's what I showed you. It is showing a weekday in Hindalco. If the market shows weakness, the next day's candle might sweep the previous high or low before reversing direction. That's what has happened in Hindalco during around 2 p.m. or something. It has swept the previous day's low and it has closed inside the range. So you need to observe the key entry points. The secret is watch where the previous candle has closed. That is very, very important. A strong close means a likely continuation, while a weak close signals a possible reversal. I'll take you to the chart of Hero Motocorp as well as the Hindalco for comparison. So, here in Hindalco, it was a weak close. Whereas in Hero Motocorp, we are seeing a strong close, so that we can find a trade in Hero Motocorp as well as in Hindalco. Hero Motocorp, we can find a trade towards the upside, whereas in Hindalco, we can find trade markdown trade. That means sell trade we can anticipate. This is candle impulse theory. Here is a simple rule. If a candle closes above the previous high, the next candle has a high chance of pushing even further. And if it closes below, expect a downward move. the CIT, that is candle impulse theory, this method helps traders catch daily movements by using the previous day's high and low as reference points. Trading the wick, smart traders wait for the price to dip into the wick. Suppose if there is a manipulation, I'll show it on the Hindalco chart. Dip into the wick area of the previous day before entering the trades. This is where manipulation happens before the big move. I'm going to explain it on the chart. So listen to me carefully. Everything is simple. So you need to master continuation versus reversal trades because you need to get a parabolic trade. If you master the continuation trades, you will have a BTST trades also. You will have strong parabolic profitable trades, and even the reversal trades. If you identify the reversal trades, you can get a very good trade. Now let us refine our strategy. There are two main market conditions. One is continuation and ranging markets. Continuation strategy, when the trend is strong, look to buy near the previous day's close if bullish, or sell near the close if it is bearish. Okay. In reversal strategy, if the market is uncertain, watch for price to sweep the previous day's high or low and then reverse. Key confirmation is if price retraces to the 50% of the previous candle, if it is in a continuation strategy to the up move, either it is a reversal, 50% retracement of the previous candle, then moves in your direction. Suppose if you are anticipating for the move towards the upside, you look for the 50% retracement. That is the meaning of it. So you will have a high probability setup as well as you will be entering into the trade with a discount. Applying this to the live trading. Let us see this in action. Here is how you trade daily candles step by step. Identify yesterday's high, low, and close. So you need to mark the yesterday's high, yesterday's low, and also mark the close of the yesterday. So when the trade opens on the next day, wait for the price to manipulate on one side, fake move. Enter at key retracement levels 25% or 50% of the candle. Sometimes you will get 50% fake movement. Sometimes you may not get 50%. Sometimes if the trend is strong, only 25% fake move you will get and you will get to enter into the trade. Ride the trend or take profits at logical resistance and support. So, like this, if you identify the daily candles, strong candle or weak candle, you will get a trade. This is what I have explained in my weekly clock. To notice what is happening in the weekly template, whether the stock has begun for the trendy, impulsive move or it has started markdown, distribution and markdown. This is what we need to identify. That is very, very important. This is the power of the daily candle trading. By identifying certain stocks, you putting it into your watch list, you can get the trade daily. So today, I'm going to show you two examples of Hindalco as well as Hero Motorcar. I've taken it as an example for the impulse trade and reversal trade also. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering these concepts will help you to take control of your trades. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more game-changing strategies. I'll see you in next video. Before closing it off, I'll take you to the chart of Hero Motorcar. See, in the Hero Motorcar, I've marked all these things. Let me remove everything and I'll show it to you. Here, Hero Motorcar was in a down phase from Thursday. Thursday it started coming down, right? Thursday, this is Thursday close, Thursday high, Thursday low, and what did you find? There was a weakness in the Hero Motorcar. The close was here. When the price opened on the next day, it could not go up and it swept the low of the day, low of the previous day. And the down move continued. Markdown continued. Okay. Daily candle, it came down previous day and it continued. So this was the closing of the Thursday, low of the Friday. What did it do today on Monday? It gapped down below the manipulation started, below the Friday's low, and it has started trading inside the range and it has closed very, very strongly in the market, closed in the range, indicating bullishness, impulsive thing in the market. So, I am anticipating for there is no manipulation. If I go to the daily candle, you can see the strong close. Strong close, not manipulation. So you can anticipate for up move, impulsive continuation of the candle towards the upside. So I will keep it in my watch list for a positive trade. From where it has dump has started from this area, this will be my probable take profit target. I can anticipate for 3,937 as my hurdle, and another level is here, that is previous to previous day, that is Friday's high. So since it has closed in a strong way, what I need to do is I'm going to mark for tomorrow's trade, I am going to mark the high and low of this candle. Any dip, 25% or 0.38% or 5%. So any dip within this area, and if the candle starts moving here, higher here, I can anticipate for an up move in the market, either towards the first target of 3918 or little bit higher parabolic move, or it can go up to the from where the dump has started, the price can move up to this. This is an example for the impulse, candle impulse, because it has closed strongly. Hindalco, you can keep it in your watch list. Mark the high and low of the candle. So this is the, I didn't notice this. If I would have noticed in the morning itself, this motor car, I could have taken the trade here and kept the stop loss. If I would have entered stop loss, no problem. I can be in the trade for an impulsive trade for next day also. So you can trade like this. This is an opportunity for you people for the next. So let me explain the weakness, what I've seen on the Hindalco. So keep this in your watch list as an example for observation. For learning purpose, you need to see whether this will behave like that or not. Okay. Let me go to the Hindalco. Here, Hindalco, I had shown it on the slides. See, there was an impulsive move. Impulsive move had started from here, from Monday, previous week. This is an exponential move. If you carefully observe here, so the day on Monday, it was a strong close. Okay? It was a strong close. And price manipulated beneath the previous week's Friday's low and started. Manipulation has taken place, sweeping the liquidity beneath this, and it was a strong close on Monday. Let me write down. So, indicating an impulsive move towards the upside. You can see if I measure the fib tool, take the fib tool, on Tuesday what happened? There was a dip into 0.5 percentage. 0.5 percentage dip, and the market started moving higher. You can see it has moved above this level, next level, and closing little bit inside the range, indicating still strongness. So again, what you are going to do is, for the next day, this will be the low and this will be the high. So next day, you will be anticipating, because it is a strong impulsive move. So you are anticipating the template is in the markup phase. The price is a strong impulsive move. So you are anticipating a parabolic move in this stock. So what you have done, mark the high and low of the previous day, this day, that is Monday, Tuesday, and again you are waiting for the dip to anywhere between. You got the dip around, this is the manipulation week, 0.618, and then the price has closed very strongly. The close was near the top. Close was near the top. Again, the same procedure we are going to do. We are marking the high and low of the, this is low and high of the day. Did you notice something here? On the next day, this was Wednesday, Thursday, the market did not give any dip. Immediately there was a rally, and then there was consolidation, and market did close near, it did not close near the high of the day. It closed here inside. On Friday, this, when it has closed like this, the candle will be like this. Candle will close like this, and the price has opened near the closing of the candle. This is the manipulation. Closing of the candle, and you can see there was a peak formation. If I enable the RSI, for overbought condition, because the trend is becoming exhausted, it may stall. Yeah, let me enable the, where is that? Settings. No, I'm not able to see that. RSI. It's okay, let it be. RSI will be overbought, and you can see with this was a very big bullish candle. Even though it's a very bullish candle, strong with a strong body candle, the X-ray picture started showing reversal. If I apply let me remove the indicators so that remove two indicators, and I'll apply RSI. RSI, relative strength. I'll apply. Let it come. Yeah, you can see already the price was making higher high, and you are seeing the divergence in the RSI behavior, clearly indicating the profit booking from the big institution or the big player. They have already started. Even yesterday itself, you can see the RSI has come below this area, and below the moving average, it had closed there. Today, it was a gap down, weakness, and what it has done is, it has swept the liquidity of the previous low, and it has gone inside and closed near the low. For tomorrow, this is a weakness. So, it has started its markdown phase. Distribution had already started in the Hindalco. So what I am going to see is, I am going to mark the high and low of the candle tomorrow. If I mark the high, this is the high of the candle, high, and this is low. Low of the candle. In case if the market opens, price opens like this, and sweeps the liquidity, and if it starts moving here, I'll get a parabolic move. So weakness has already started in the market. You can see RSI reading below 47, neutral level. If it sweeps this liquidity or to the anywhere between this liquidity, price goes and fails, we can look for a down movement in the market, parabolic down movement in the market. So this is how you can read the daily candles. If you observe the daily candle behavior, you can get a trade either in any one of the instruments. Okay, friends, I've explained you in very detail how to identify the trades and put it into your weekly template. Like that, you can get a trade. So for that, if you can enable that pullback and retracement alert indicator. If I apply that indicator, you can see, let me remove the drawings so that you will see. This is the 20 period moving average. It is plotting. These are the supports. Red color things are supports. It is not showing another inputs potential. 20 and 200. 200 must be here. Yeah, this is 200 period moving average. The trend is in up move, but it is showing a weakness. We can anticipate the move towards this level. So you are getting a trade in down trade in the Hindalco because it is showing weakness. You can see this is the resistance, this is the support, and this is the resistance. So it has come below that. Any up move like this, any sweep, fake move, you can take the trade. Let us check with this indicator. You can apply this indicator for your reference. And you can check for the hero motor car, because to identify the trend, this indicator will help you very much. You can see very clearly in hero motor car, the price has climbed above the 200 period moving average. Okay, and these were the supports. This was the resistance. So price has crossed above the previous day's resistance and closed here. So that's why any dip, fake move in the direction either 0.5, 0.38, you need to see in the live market, you are getting a parabolic up move in the hero motor card. You can keep it in your watch list as a reference how you can read the candle impulsive theory and candle behavior. You can, if you master it, definitely daily one trade you will get. Let us analyze Nifty indices, whether are we going to get a trade in the indices? No. Indices, in Nifty, it is a gap down, and if you see the candle behavior like this, what it is showing, it is not closing very strong. A weak close, closing near the low. It has closed after the gap down. It has closed near the low. So what you need to do for tomorrow is mark the high of the previous day, 22,645, and low of the candle, that is 22,000 590. Since it is a weak close, any move 50% up move, we can already it has moved 50%. Any fake move like this, so it may, the down move can continue in the, you can anticipate for a down move in Nifty. So strong down move you can anticipate tomorrow also in Nifty. This is how you can analyze the candles, read the candles, master it, you will get a trade. So daily candle analysis will help you to get trade every day. Let us check what is happening in the crude oil since it is live market. Crude oil futures. Then crude oil, you can see here, it is trading now. It was a gap down. Something, it is showing some sort of strong behavior. Still, it has not closed. The candle, remove. Here, it was a gap down like this. And closing, trading above at present. And it had made an high and a resistance. And it is showing a wick, it has wicked above this level. That means it is making an higher high. That is, it is showing a strong impulsive move here. We need to see the close of this candle. Suppose if the crude oil is closing strongly, around 11 p.m. the market will close for this. If it close for this, you can anticipate for an up move in the crude oil tomorrow. So if I see the candle now, you are seeing a strong candle over here. Strong candle is forming now. It has not completed. Suppose if it closes strongly like this, we can anticipate for a continuation of the this candle, strong candle move either to this level. So if you get the trade like this, if you analyze the trade like this, you will get trade daily. You need to master this. So what you need to do is you have to mark the high and low of the candle and you need to see whether there is an strength in the closing of the candle. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.